Pixiebricks lets you call APIs from your right-click menu using highlighted text as an input. For example, you could highlight a price and convert its currency by hitting an exchange rate API. You can configure an action like this in minutes by following 4 steps. Here's a quick demo. Step 1. Add a right-click menu by clicking here. I'll change its caption to convert and add a placeholder so Chrome dynamically inserts my highlighted text. Now when I highlight text, the caption looks like this. Step 2. Identify target data. In this case, I'll use selection text, which refers to the text I highlight. Step 3. Add an API integration. In the Integrations tab, I'll use the Rapid API Exchange Rate API. If you're not familiar with it, Rapid API is a marketplace with over 30,000 APIs, so it creates a lot of opportunities when integrating with Pixiebricks. Step 4. Configure my actions. First, I'll add the Convert Currency action. To configure it, I'll paste selection text from Step 2 in the Amount field. Next, I'll add the Window Alert action. I'll configure it to show the converted value in a pop-up. Now let's test it out. When I highlight a price, I can choose a currency to convert it to. And there it is, 5,054 euros. This extension involved 2 action bricks, but there's no limit to how many you can stack together. For example, I could have Pixiebricks copy the converted amount to my clipboard by adding the Copy to Clipboard action. If you'd like to learn more, you can follow our YouTube channel or join the Pixiebricks community at community.pixiebricks.com.